Hi, welcome to my channel. So this is my budgies. The blue one is Peep and the yellow one is Birdie. I have had them for 2 months and they are around 8 months now. So I'm trying to tame them, and for the first month I have let them fly around the house so they get used to the environment. And then I started from 3 weeks ago, I started to feed them with my hand, but it has been a process, very long process. So this is second time Peep, the blue one, is eating from my hand, and it's first time Birdie is eating from my hand actually. So I'm actually very, very happy. This is a big achievement for me. So I'm hoping I will keep doing this for some time, and then I hope they will be tamed enough to come to my hand, fly to my hand, my finger, and then I can have a really quality time with them.